In this era of AI, it is obvious that everyone is looking for a career which is reliable and future proof. One such career path is working in the data domain because AI needs data. AI models are trained on data available all over the world. The problem here is AI needs to be trained on good quality data. To create this good quality data, we need experts who work on these data infrastructures. In this video, we will learn about one such career path in the data domain, that is data engineering. So what is data engineering? Data engineering is the practice of designing and building systems to collect, store and process massive volumes of raw data. It provides the foundational architecture that transforms chaotic, disparate information into clean, trustworthy and accessible data sets for data scientists, analysts and business leaders. This is the definition which you will get when you Google it. But here we will see a very simple example to understand this better. Imagine you have a grocery shop. People are purchasing groceries from your shop every day, and as per the demand, you are refilling the items. Now, as an owner, you need to have better insights and control over the sales in your store. So, you need to know things like what is the most selling product in our store, when are the sales in the store high, whether it is on weekends or weekdays, whether it is in daytime or late evenings, which product gives us more profit, which is the least selling product, and so on. This is from the sales side. But from the other side, the owner should know which products should he need to refill now, where to buy the products cheaper, when can he provide offers, and so on. For all this, we need to collect data from different sources. Like the sales data will be from our payment application, available stock details from the inventory management application, and product prices from external sources. To understand this, the owner needs to manually visit data in each application's database and run SQL queries on it. And also, this manual way will not be feasible for a large number of records. As you know, if a database contains a large amount of data, queries like this will slow down the database performance. So data engineering comes into picture here. The data engineer will create a solution which takes daily sales data from the sales application, inventory application and product prices from external market, and that data will be cleaned to remove inaccurate records and transformed in the required format, and this processed data will be stored in the data warehouse. Now this processed data in the data warehouse will be visualized to get all the required insights for the business owner. Then, as per the insights, the owner can decide what improvements he should do to improve the sales. This process of combining data from different sources and cleaning, transforming it in a required standard, and storing it in the data warehouse is known as data engineering. Usually in data engineering, we will handle a large amount of data. So imagine instead of one store, you are having a large number of stores all over your country. So it will generate a large amount of data. So data engineering helps to handle this large amount of data. Now imagine how much data companies like Amazon, Walmart, Uber, Netflix, Google, Microsoft and Airbnb will have in their systems. Data engineering helps to handle all these huge volumes of data, and data engineers are the people responsible for doing it.